What is that?
A Jeep.
For who?
Can you open it? Can you, Mom?
Who's it for?
For me.
Why?
Because. Open it.
What did you get that for?
Friend's birthday. Can I get it in there? Nice?
Yeah, let's put it together, okay?
Oh, isn't that cool?
Are you so happy?
Yeah. Ouch. Ouch.
Ouchies, right?
Jacob, come over here. Check it out.
A Jeep.
Yeah, isn't that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Right.
I'm so happy, Mama.
I'm so glad. Happy birthday, honey.
Thank you, Mama. You don't jump on the couch.
That's right.
You go on the ground.
Very good. You must be 3. You're so smart. Look at that big, huge Jeep.
Can I see it?
Yeah, Daddy's going to open it for you.
Can we fix it together, Mom?
Uh-oh, you forgot. We don't jump on the couch.
I'm just looking at it. A yellow Jeep, Mom. Can we fix it together now?
Whoa, look at that.
Get it for you.
Boom. Get that out. How do we get it out, Mom?
You're going to help us put it together.
Oh.
Can you help us?